Alright, today I'm taking a look at the AR21 dual camera dash cam. We got all kinds of stuff. Alright, so this is nice. It actually comes with an SD card, so we don't have to buy something. And it says 64 gigabytes, so that's actually a pretty decent size. Not bad. And here we have what looks like a mount. So this actually has 3M adhesive on it, so that's awesome. You want to have this if you want it to stick and not fall off. So we got the power port on the side, and then we got these two magnets to hold the camera on, and then these pins are going to deliver power to the camera. So, and here, that is the camera. Okay, so let's see if this actually works the way that I think. Yeah, sure does. Wow, that's a nice strong magnet too. Wow, I really like that. Yeah, that's going to hold no problem. All right, so here we got AV in, we got the microphone, and we got a slot for the card. Nice. Oh, that's clean looking. Okay. So, boy, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Okay. Oh, it's even got color. I like that. So it's actually a full color instruction manual. That's the way it should be. So this is to power it the simple way, which is to plug it directly into your cigarette lighter. And that's really awesome if you have the type of car that the cigarette lighter turns off when you shut the car off. But you do want to check your cigarette lighter to make sure it does in fact turn off when you turn your car off, because you don't want to drain your battery. Then we got all this over here. So this is the rear camera. So this is going to plug in with this jack into the AV in. So that way you'll have both cameras plugged into the same source, recording to the same card, and hopefully we'll be able to see it right here. Oh, I didn't even notice this. Nice. So we got menu, up, down, and OK. And the power has a regular micro SD, so that's good because what that means is you can use one of those kits, so you can hardwire it to your car if you want, and the kits will always allow your car to have the proper amount of power. So that's awesome. That means they built this thing correctly. And we got some extra adhesive pads. And this is a nice thick foam core type of sticker, which is good because that's going to really help it to adhere to surfaces that aren't perfectly smooth. So very happy to see that. So on the backup camera there's a red wire, and I did a little bit of finagling to try to get power to it, but it turned out that I didn't have to do that. So there's a trick to getting the backup camera to work. Get the menu, and we're going to go to recording settings, resolution, and it won't work in 4K. In order to make the backup camera work, we have to put it in 2K 1080 FHD. There we go. So we can see we got the front camera here and we got the back camera here, and we can change through that, so you can see just the front, just the back, or both. And this does record two separate files, so this is only for us to see what's going on. If we actually go back and play back the file, we get an independent video for this and one for this, so we can see everything that's going on.